I'll sing first then.
Right, now you're speaking. Come on. Look, you're there now. Come in, Wise. Come in. Come in.
Hello.
Come in. No, come in. Hello, this is Wisey.
Yeah, hi, you alright? We're going to give you a version of Seagulls Don't Swim. You may have seen the first bit from a little while ago. Now we're going to try it and give you some more of the same. So here we go. Over to you, Mr. Moody. Yeah. No. Yeah. I think I better get this verse up and running, because it needs some tunes in the place. We're really trying our hardest to make a song of this. So what do you think of this?
Of what?
This song, of course. Over to you, Mr. Moody.
Seagulls can't swim!
Seagulls can't swim!
Seagulls can't swim! Everyone knows Seagulls can't swim! Seagulls can't swim!
Seagulls
can't swim! I said no, Seagulls can't swim!
Seagulls
can't
swim!
That poor old
Have
seagull
it. How about that then?
was sitting on his branch. Even though seagulls don't sit on branches.
Because seagulls do not.
Whoa. Whose song's this?
You call them after,
Right.
after you. Carry on.
Okay.
As you were.
As I was.
Okay.
And like I said before,
What?
this motherfucking seagull didn't sing or seesaw.
No need to swear.
Sorry, Mr. Wise. I didn't know it was such a surprise. But goddamn, does everyone know that seagulls just love to flow? And there's one thing what they don't do.
Everybody knows that seagulls can't swim. Seagulls can't swim. Seagulls can't swim. Everyone knows seagulls can't swim.
Everyone knows seagulls can't
swim.
Seagulls can sing.
They just
sing.
Seagulls.
I said seagulls can sing.
Seagulls just drown.
Boom. They drown, motherfucker.